Question number 6, a wheel initially at rest u equal to 0 rolls. Oh my god, and there is initial velocity is 0, angular initial velocity is also 0. Without slipping down an incline for 4 seconds on t, your t, the final angular velocity of omega f is equal to so much. How many revolutions did the wheel complete? So what is the question? Now what do we do here? Okay. So it's a wheel and we need to find out how many revolutions. What we do is, acceleration is not given, we need to find omega final is equal to omega I plus alpha into. Omega I is 0, alpha value is not given, plus alpha is not given. How much time does it require? 4 into 4, and this value is given pi. Okay. So therefore I can now say 4 alpha is equal to pi, or alpha is equal to pi divided by 4. So what the angular acceleration? What is he asking? Number of revolutions. What we do is, let us write theta s equal to ut plus half it. So I'll use this equation. I'll write omega it plus half alpha t. Okay. In a time of 4 seconds, how many times it revolves? That's what I'm doing. So this should now be 0 plus half into alpha is 5 pi divided by 4, and the t value, what's the value of t? T value is 4 seconds, 16, and 4 ones are, 4 fours are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So this is 10 pi radians. So what did I do now? I just found out what is the angular displacement of the particle, which is seen to be 10 pi radians. What next? I need to find how many revolutions. See, if at all, if I say angular displacement is 10 pi, then I can find for 2 pi radians, it is 1 rotation. For 10 pi radians, it is 5 rotations, right? So 2 pi is nothing but 360 degrees, right? So therefore, it is 1 rotation, and here it is 10 pi, it is 5 rotations. So the answer is 0. Okay.